Folks. So it's Friday, and generally that means mail call. Today kind of got away from us, got away from me in any case, but I didn't want to miss an opportunity to answer one email question, or actually email information, because some new information has come to light. You may be sitting here wondering why in the world you're looking at the actor Martin Sheen and this young lad right here. Well, this is Martin Sheen when he was filming Apocalypse Now. We can't see his wrist. But Scott White was digging around for pictures, checking out stuff, and he found this shot. This young man, that's Charlie Sheen, right there. And on his wrist, he is wearing, is that a Seiko 2205? Is that what I see there? Yep, you'd be correct. That's a 2205 0769 150 meter high beat diver. Sometimes people call these lady divers, but they've also been referred to as a boy diver. And so we have them right here. They're really, really cool. I was busy looking in the catalogs, and I'm sure there's got to be a better scan than this, but this is the best scan I could come up with that I could find for this model of watch. If I could just get that to enlarge, that would be super cool. So we know it is model ZP245. These things have a beautiful, beautiful, albeit small, but they have a beautiful movement. It looks like you can't really see the bevel that's going right here. I'll show it because I'm going to pull mine out, and it's as good an opportunity as any to look at this absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous little Dynie produced watch. It's a Dynie watch with Sua aesthetics. And they're super cool watches. So let me dig that watch out and let's take a look at it. So this was produced roughly in the same time period as the 6105, 8110, 8119. And it is sometimes called the ladies 6105 for a reason. One of the big reasons for that is this beautiful, beautiful, just elegant crown guard case extension, which really does mimic how the 6105 was done. It's even got the same slots in the crown, though interestingly, where the 6105 failed with not having a screw down crown, that's a screw down crown. This one actually, it screws down and locks. I have no idea why Seiko, not Sadie, didn't implement a screw down crown for this. It's just, it makes me crazy. But anyway, people call this the ladies 6105, and you can see it's got a lot of the elements there that show that. These are 6159 style hands, just smaller. The sweep hand looks like a long 6105 sweep hand, but it's all white. These are fully produced by Dynie. See, there's the Dynie lightning bolt. As a result, it has, let's see if I can show this to you. You can see this. It glows like crazy. You can't really see it, but trust me, the lume on this, which is in perfect condition, glows like crazy. These dials were produced just like in the same exact method and way as an early 62MS dial or 6105 dial. Same big, deep lume wells, chrome marked, black that runs up the outside, and then filled not quite to level, but just underneath the level. This one doesn't have a mark on the lume. It's so nice. As you can see, these are high beats. Look at the crystal on this. Crystals for these are really hard to find. Look at that, 695-900. That's a good serial number. But anyway, talking about the aesthetics of it, I was looking at it today. I was thinking about this watch, and it occurred to me it's got this particular kind of Seiko balance of elements where you have the dial is slightly smaller and more recessed with a larger rotating ring that's a little thicker. That's just it's a way that Seiko, it's sort of a Seiko signature to me anyway. And it occurred to me today what it looked like. Looks like Marine Master in a lot of ways. I mean, the case shape is different, obviously, but... Oh, and let me put this where it is. There's a screw down. I mean, so much so that, you know, if this thing had the crown at 3 with those crown guards, I don't know, it's an interesting mix, isn't it? But you can really see the lineage. I wonder if that was accidental or if they looked at this. I love these handsets. I really do. They're one of the most elegant things that Seiko came up with. Anyway, I just thought that was cool. Different case, very similar dial. Both descendants of the same order, if you will. And since we're here, let's check out the movement, see if it's still here. Okay. Case back is loose. Yeah, these are really cool, tight little movements. 17 jewels, hand winder, automatic. Balance is not that tiny. For a watch this small, I mean, you can have balances that are smaller than that, believe me. These are really tightly built, and they are fun to service. They have a different style winding system. This back bridge is these things are really tightly built. Extremely high quality, however, and the casework is exquisite. Just like Seiko's always is. Hey, look at that. Somebody paid to service this thing. Isn't that crazy? Anyway, they're beautiful watches. I wish to goodness there was a full-size one of these. Come on, let's go. Uh-oh, oh, right. These have the little spring washers. You got to be careful with those. There you go. What a gorgeous watch, huh? Anyway, there you go. The Charlie Sheen. Such as it is. The young Charlie Sheen. Cool. All right. Well, thank you for watching. I hope this was a wise investment of your time. And I just wanted to chat about these watches a little bit. Okay. You have a great weekend. Thank you very much.